In California, robbery is defined under Penal Code 211 as taking property from another person by means of force or fear. What distinguishes robbery, a more serious crime, from theft or burglary, which are less serious crimes, is the use of force or fear. And I'll give you an example to illustrate that. Suppose I'm walking through the park and I see a woman holding a purse, and I approach her, I grab the purse, and I run off. That's probably not a robbery. It's probably what we would call a grand theft from a person, but it's not a robbery because I didn't use any force or violence or threats in order to accomplish the taking. Now, suppose rather that I approach the woman and I knock her to the ground, violently knock her to the ground, and when she's lying there on the ground, that's when I grab the purse and I run off with it. That is a robbery. And it's a robbery because I've used force, I've used violence to accomplish the taking of the property. Or, to give you another illustration along the same lines, suppose I approach the woman and I tell her, look, I've got a gun in my pocket. Either you give me that purse or I'm going to pull it out and shoot you. And the woman, scared, gives me her purse and I run off with it. That too is a robbery. And it's a robbery because I've now used what the law calls fear. I've used the threat of violence in order to coerce the person to give me their property and to take the property. I'm attorney Neil Shouse. If you or a loved one has been arrested for Penal Code 211 robbery in the state of California, call me. Let's see what we can do to get the charges reduced or dismissed.